During its recent investors call, the NVIDIA CEO stated that he expects the GPU supply constraint could last the vast majority of next year, which would imply that the GeForce RTX graphics card availability issue won't be getting better anytime soon. In a statement, Jensen said that the GeForce RTX platform, and Ampere in particular, has been the best-selling product lineup to date, but despite that, only 20% of their user base have shifted to the RTX graphics cards, which means the vast majority of gamers are still relying on older GeForce GTX and GeForce GT graphics cards. NVIDIA hopes for that to change soon, but given the current pricing and supply situation, unfortunately it doesn't seem likely. The main issue, Jensen states, are that they are facing a severe GPU supply constraint. Despite Ampere being NVIDIA's fastest architecture ramp, in its recent earning reports, NVIDIA stated that 80% of its GeForce RTX 30 series graphics cards shipments have went to gamers in Q2 of 2021, which means that their LRH lineup of graphics cards did indeed work out for them. We also saw a cryptocurrency bubble pop, which led to several retailers readjusting their prices and bringing Ampere and the rest of the GPU lineup closer to the MSRP. Although sadly recently, crypto has made a rebound, and even an update on the NB miner has promoted miners to get slightly better hash rates even on the LRH series graphics cards. This means that miners could still see the LRH graphics card series as an attractive investment opportunity if they can't get their hands on any other graphics cards. While availability does get better, we can't take out the huge demand for these GPUs. Gamers are currently grabbing these graphics cards wherever they can at whatever price they can get them at. A lot of gamers refrain from getting the RTX 20 series graphics cards due to the smaller performance jump when compared to the GTX 10 series graphics card. Whereas Ampere RTX 30 series brings a bigger upgrade over GTX 10 series and making more users want to upgrade their older GPUs and PCs. If Jensen's predictions come true, then we might as well see a similar situation to the next-gen graphics cards from NVIDIA too. Do remember that Jensen was the first to state that the shortages to last until the end of 2021, but it could get worse if the CEO does believe that the graphics card availability and GPU shortages will persist throughout the next year. What do you think? Are we going to see a continued GPU shortage, or is it finally lightening up? Let us know in the comments down below, and go check out some of these awesome videos too.